Hello, and welcome to a quick tutorial for how to use Discord. So first thing you want to do is click on the link that was sent to you for an invitation. You can either access it via the browser here, or you can download the actual desktop application, which I highly recommend. You create a quick account so that this banner is gone here, and you will be directed to the server here. You'll see on the left side the different channels that are in the server and navigate over to the welcome. Read this message really quickly. And the first thing you can do is change your nickname so that everyone knows who you are and which family you're in. And you do that by clicking this banner in the upper left, the drop down, change nickname, and you can do first name, last name, followed by your family. Next thing you'll want to do is contact your family leader so that they can assign you to your family zone. And if you look over here on your left, you'll see that there's no other channels appearing yet until you get the permission. So navigate over here to the right, click on their name or direct message them on Messenger or anything and say, "Hi, can you add me to the family?" Head back over to the server here on this bubble, in which case they will give you the role and you'll see that it pops up over here. So when you click on these, only your family can see this area, as well as the voice room here. So there is a family voice room as well as the general voice room. And if you click in that, you will give it access to the microphone so that you can talk here. You can mute yourself, unmute, as well as share your video or share the screen itself. And when you want to leave the channel, you can just click this disconnect button here. You can join back at any time. And that's it. Thanks for watching.